The best password manager in 2026 is KeePass. I'm going to show you how to set it up. Here's the download link website. You want to get the 2.61.1 installer for Windows. Already installed it. Open it and start installing it. Yes. English. Accept the agreement. Next. Next. Full installation. Click on next. We're going to create a desktop shortcut. Next. And then install. After the installation is finished, let's open KeePass. So here we're going to go File, New. Click OK. We're going to save the database in Documents. We're going to name the database Test. We're going to create a master password. Yes. Database name. I'm just going to test. Okay. So here we're going to delete the default entries. So now we're going to create an entry. Right click. We're going to go add entry. We're going to title this Bob Login for under the Windows folder. Username is going to be Bob, and then whatever password. Notes, you can add notes to it. We'll go. This is Bob Windows login. There you go. Easy as that. Best practice: copy the database to a flash drive. So here we're going to save this first. Save. Okay, now we're going to go to Documents. Okay, we're going to copy. You can copy and then copy the database on a flash drive. So if you do have Windows logins, you can install or download the portable KeePass from the website and then put the portable KeePass on the flash drive, copy this database onto the flash drive. So if you forgot your Windows login, you can plug the flash drive in a different computer and bring up your database, and then voila, you don't have to worry about the hassle on trying to figure out how to reset your password on your Windows. So that is how to use KeePass Password Manager. If you want a full tutorial on it, let me know in the comments. And for more tips, tricks, or strategy guides on Windows 11, subscribe and turn your bell notification on. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.